Does it so happen that the pain that you have in your body spreads to different locations? So it's not fixed in one location. Sometimes it could be upper back, sometimes it could be lower back, sometimes it could be knees. There may be one primary location, but mostly, you can't really say when and where the pain will come. And if that's the case, maybe your pain is neuroplastic. Now let's say if you have, or somebody else, not you, okay? Somebody else has a fracture and the fracture is in the wrist. Is it going to be normal to have pain in the elbows when there is a fracture in the wrist? Not really, right? If there was something wrong with some part of your body, the pain should ideally be located and limited to that part of the body. But if you see that your pain is moving around, it's spreading, it is unpredictable when and where the pain would be, then that means that it is actually the pain has become a function of the nervous system, and the nervous system is actually driving the pain. And that is called neuroplastic pain. And if you want to know more about it, just go on the internet and look for it. There's a lot of resource that is available.